In this video, you will see how you can style a silk square scarf like this with an elastic hairband. And you will learn a few secrets how to make it to look more stylish. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now, let's tie our scarf. One of the secrets to succeed in these styles is a choice of scarf. The best scarf would be a scarf with contrast hems. Another secret is a choice of scrunchies. I think the best hairbands are these that are covered and don't have any metal parts. They are the most gentle for your precious silk scarves. For all three styles, fold your scarf to make a rectangle. Now, take the long part with hems and fold it as an accordion. Fix it with a hairband. A little secret: you don't need to tie it too tight. 2-3 rounds would be enough. You don't damage your scarf this way. Now, take these ends and tie them behind. Et voila! It looks very elegant. For the second style, we need to make an accordion on this part of the scarf. Fix it with a hairband. Now, wrap the scarf around the neck and pass the corner through the scrunchie. Make a leaf for the flower. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. It looks lovely. The third style starts exactly as the previous one. The difference is that you pass this corner through the scrunchie. Now make it long enough to wrap it around the flower. Hide in the scrunchie and fix the end under the flower. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave a few links in the description to some lovely vintage scarves on Etsy. This flower looks very different now. If you need more scarf ideas, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of scarf you wear more often. It will help me to make the videos more relevant for you. I hope to see you soon. Bye!